Guys, Bitcoin is right now going for a gigantic freaking move. It's absolutely crazy. Yes, guys, I know I have not been posting in the past 2 days because I've just been waiting for this exact moment. So in this video, you need to see exactly what is going to happen because it's fucking crazy what is currently happening for Bitcoin, guys. We are currently creating a gigantic fucking pattern right here. We are literally on the verge of getting a 10% move to the upside. Literally right now, liquidations, the biggest liquidation area ever is laying above us, and so much more, guys. So make sure to watch from the beginning all the way till the end, guys. Because even though I've not been posting that much recently, I am still extremely active in the Bitcoin community, and you need to see exactly what is currently happening for Bitcoin, guys. I've been analyzing the last few days really carefully. And yes, guys, I know that Bitcoin has been extremely boring the last few days. We can just clearly see that right now from the 8th of November, we have literally been trading in this small little range right here, which is literally just only about in 7% range, and in the last 5 days we have literally only been trading in about a 3% range, which is of course extremely boring. However, we all know that the more consolidation comes, the bigger the next move is going to be. And because we are right now in such a parabolic move to the upside, even on the one day or 1 week chart, we have been in such a parabolic move to the upside that I will not be, I'm just expecting, I will not be surprised if Bitcoin just breaks out today or tomorrow. Literally all we need to do is probably bounce once more from off this level and then a gigantic move to the upside. And that could literally send Bitcoin up another 10%, which is going to make us so much freaking money if you're either longing this or if you're just buying Bitcoin spot, guys. Because if you right now literally go to the first link in the description, and I know I have not plugged it in a long time, but guys, you need to right now, if you're a new trader or if you're using Binance, which is currently on the fire, you need to right now go to the first link in the description. Sign up a Bybit account using my link, because if you do so, you will literally get 30k completely for free based on your deposit bonuses, of course. So guys, check it out right now. If you don't use my link, you don't get bonuses. It's a win-win, of course. Now guys, even more, we can literally see right now that Bitcoin has been also over on the 1 hour and 2 hour time frame, has been in an uptrend. We can literally see that we are right now creating higher highs. Ever since this massive move to the upside, we have literally been creating higher highs, which is extremely freaking bullish. That is the best thing you can do. We literally saw a 10% move to the upside in 2 days. And after that, we have literally been only seeing more continuation to the upside, which is crazy. Remember that this move topped out at about 35k. Literally yesterday, we reached 38.5k, guys. It's crazy. We continue to go up. And this is not even the best part, because we are right now just slowly going up. We are making lower highs, higher lows, of course, and higher highs, which is what we want to see. However, the second we start to get massive short liquidations coming in, we will immediately pool send to $42,000, because here at this blue box is our next area of massive resistance. I can show you guys it right here. This is, in my opinion, the biggest area of resistance. Oh, sorry, this one is the biggest area of resistance, and then after that, this one, but more on that in a few minutes, because we can literally right now see that here at this liquidation heat map, we can literally right now see that some crazy amount of liquidations will be liquidated once we reach 38.5k. It's going to be absolutely freaking crazy. And in my opinion, that could literally send Bitcoin to 42k in a day. It's going to be so freaking crazy. We have not seen big liquidations in a long time. We can see literally where I've been trading in the last 3 days are just not big liquidations. However, the second we reach 38.5k, once we break that, it's going to be crazy. Especially because 38k, of course, we all know it right now, is the biggest area of resistance we have right now. If we literally right now look here at the 1 day time frame, then we can of course see that 38k where we're trading at right now is such crazy resistance. And the second we flip that into support, it's just going to be absolutely fucking gigantic, which will send Bitcoin to 42k and potentially a lot higher, guys. If you are still waiting for $12,000, then I'm sorry to say this, but Bitcoin is officially in a bull run, guys. And from right now, the second I'm making this video right now, Bitcoin will just continue to go up. Of course, we can see some up and downs, but Bitcoin to 20k is not going to happen anymore. And I'm sorry that I have to say it, that if if you were waiting for 12k, 20k, it's not going to happen anymore. In my opinion, the lowest we can potentially go in the next 6 months is 30k. We all know that 30k is now flipping into massive support if we do decide to get there. However, there is still a question if we are even going to get there. So what I currently think is going to happen is, with Bitcoin just seeing this massive push and then slowly curling to the upside, I'm expecting something like this is happening, what we did right here. We saw some weekly candles which were green but really tight, basically a doji candle, and then we saw this one more move to the upside, which I think is going to be $42,000. And yes guys, literally within the next 60 days, a Bitcoin spot ETF will be approved. Remember that before the 10th of January, we are a 99% chance of getting a Bitcoin spot ETF, which will probably send us all the way to $46,000. Because 46k is our next area of resistance once we reach this massive area of resistance. So what I think is going to happen is, we are going to price the spot Bitcoin ETF even more in. We are going to reach 42k in the next couple of weeks. And then we're going to get some consolidation. A Bitcoin spot ETF will be approved. We're going to get a massive shot to 47k. From that level, we're going to get some consolidation. We don't know to where yet, but probably to around 38 to 30k, somewhere in this level right here, but nothing lower, guys. The time to buy Bitcoin, was like two fucking 3 months ago. When Bitcoin was trading right here, that's when you should have bought Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was trading right here. You don't want to buy Bitcoin right now. If you still don't have enough Bitcoin, then I will just recommend trading leverage over on Bybit, because if you just use 2 to 3x leverage with high margin, you can still make a shitload of money, guys. But buying Bitcoin right now is just useless, because a 2x to all-time high, we are not even further away from a 2x to all-time high. It's crazy, guys. Bitcoin is officially in a bull run. Get ready. I'll continue to update you guys if anything happens. But do remember that we are already printing, and if you're not printing, then you are doing something wrong right here. So get ready for even more crazy days and weeks and months ahead for Bitcoin. It's finally starting. I'm so freaking excited. So that being said, I will see you in the next YouTube crypto video, guys. Bye.